So I'm in the process to install the APR dual pulleys, and this is Q7 2017 Prestige with the air suspension. So at this point I put in off-road, so car is all the way up and I'm able to work underneath without any lift or anything like that, just for in case if anybody wants to do it. So first thing, you gotta take all these covers off, filter, cold air intake filter, you know, a bunch of the covers in the front, so you can get access to the belts. So take the supercharger belt off first, which is a little bit pain in the ass. It's the tensioner is all the way in the bottom over there. I did it from underneath of the car. And then you have another belt, accessory belt, right? And the tensioner is on the other side. To do that, you have to lose this coolant line for the supercharge underneath. I'll show you right now. Alright, sorry guys, I don't have a lift, gotta do this way. So yeah, I took the screws over here. If you see the screws over here, I took it out so it's movable. And you have a tensioner all the way up there. You see it, right? See the bolt between those two metal pipes? So you have access to take this out. So next stage, unscrew the lower pulley bolts, and before you do that, mark the pulley in the bottom. Let's say I mark it in the bottom here and in the block, so I know exactly which way it's, you know, to put this back in. And yeah, I'm gonna try to do everything underneath, and then we go from there. I'll confirm in a minute. So as I thought, it was easy to pull it out. Just take it out, tilt it, and that's it. The pulley's out. There you go. So take it out from the front end. It's not necessary, I guess. Let's try to put the pulley in and put it back on. Oh my god, almost forgot. Another thing, when you pull it out, inspect your original pulley. The rubber piece is right there. Make sure no cracks, anything like that, because lots of people have issue with after several miles. So, you know, make sure it's all in good shape. Okay, so I have one spare on my garage. This is from Audi S5, originally 40,000 miles only. You can see it looks pretty good. Part number here, 2013 by the way. And this is Q7. You definitely can see it's looks a little bit older. Exactly same part number. So yeah, you just gotta put this one in. That's it. This one is made, I think, it doesn't say. So yeah, I'm gonna put this one. Okay, so I checked it fits with the APR pulley because it's a little bit thicker now, right? Yeah, it's going in good, but the only thing, you're not gonna be able to put the bolts. So what you have to do, you have to set the bolts, make sure they all line up with the original pulley, and slide it into the crankshaft with the bolts. I'm gonna try to make a video if it's possible, but it's pretty much straightforward, nothing crazy. You know what, guys? I totally forgot about, before you put it back, clean up the crankshaft, all the rust. It makes this job more difficult for me now to put it in, you know. Oh, where the hell is the shaft? Let me see now. Oh, right here. No, it's not here. Where is it? Alright. Should be an original spot right now. So you have idea what to do now, right? Let me show you. Alright. So yeah, it's pretty much is over there. Just have to make sure it's lined up with all the holes and tie them up. That's it. Right there. I'm confirming that you don't have to take the front end bumper, you don't have to check anything out. It's plenty of space here, it's not like S4 or S5. And yeah, it was a little bit pain in the ass to catch the crankshaft with the bolts, but after a while, you know, you play around, you'll figure out, you find your own way to hook these bolts into the crankshaft. Otherwise, not too bad. Alright, so upper pulley is up, lower pulley is up, and we're ready to go. Just gotta put the protection shield back in, and that's it. So it took me about 2 hours, maybe less, hour and a half. The bottom one was a pain in the ass a little bit to, you know, catch the bolt on the crankshaft. Otherwise, it's pretty easy on the Q7, much easier than S4, S5. If I can drive it around the town with this for now, yeah, same error. Sounds like it's just no power, it's just going on the engine, I guess. Alright, it's drivable, so I can drive to the shop to get flashed, that's all.